Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping back to the channel. Viewer asked a question on my Westinghouse 2550 generator video. When you run a generator, do the panels, the side panels, vibrate? That's a great question. I haven't noticed because I haven't ran it enough yet. So I've got a little test set up here, out here by the rig, by the motorhome, all set up. I've got the 30 amp plug in, propane setup ready to go. Let's fire it up and we'll look and see if there's any immediate vibrations, and then we'll let it run for a while and see if we see any vibrations over time. So I've got not a bunch of propane in here, but let's go ahead and fire it up and see what we do here. Alright, got it primed. Choke is out. Let's give it a few tugs. Put the camera down. We're running. Eagle mode is off. Excessive vibration that I see. Turn on eco mode. That slowed it down quite a bit. I would say no excessive vibration from any other units that I've used. Yes, it's not here a little bit. And let's just let it run. Here I'm gonna go inside and turn on the fridge. We'll add a little bit, add about a couple hundred watts of draw. Let's see what it does. Here we go. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and let this run for a while. We'll run this tank of propane out. I don't know how long it's going to last, but let's let it run. We'll come out and see how it works. I'm seeing very little vibration on the sides. A little bit, but that's about it. Alright, so we've been running this about an hour and a half. I started to test right around 2:30. It's 4 o'clock right now in the afternoon. Running right now. Let's see if it's vibrating anymore. There's just a little vibration. Nothing has increased. So I'd say the vibration, very little vibration. There is some. It's a running motor, but the side panels are vibrating just a little bit. Nowhere near to the point where they would pop off or anything like that. So I'm impressed with it. Yeah, I'd have to say there's very little vibration that's noticeable outside of the normal. So great question. Appreciate it. Anyone else have any questions on this? Let me know. I can run some tests. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.